Alright, greetings family, Bomani Taimba, and we are here at Gondar, and we are at the Four Sister restaurant, and I have one of my four sisters here. Well, I got two of my four sisters, and we are recording. So my sister Jennifer, how are you? You look so Ethiopian today.
You looking your face.
As a matter of fact, you ladies are like twins. You sure that's not your last? You sure that's not your long last twin?
Yes, we could be. My sister. Yes, we're sisters.
Yeah.
My cousins.
So both of you are gonna tell us about all the wonderful things on the menu.
Okay,
so family,
please, what are we eating? What are we eating today? My favorite.
Yeah, well, all this side is all Ethiopian. So anything red is spicy. I hope you like spicy food.
Oh yes, we love spicy food. Bring it on.
What's the yellow one? What's it called? Dal?
Lentil.
What do you call it
In
though?
Amharic,
Yes.
Mister.
I need that, Mister.
Yes.
That's my favorite.
Let me get you a little some of the signs.
Minced beef.
Okay.
Spicy, not spicy. So these two are naan. Spicy, not spicy. So all these are Ethiopian. And also the famous shiro here. This is very famous, the shiro. Yeah. So there's lamb, fish, shepherd's pie.
Beautiful. It looks delicious.
Fries and vegetable also the same.
I'm a Seganalo. It's wonderful.
Yes, family, come to Ethiopia and enjoy all this wonderful food. There's nothing like being in the motherland. Lots of culture, lots of incredible taste in food, lots of beautiful people. Africa, family, is where you need to be, especially Ethiopia, the cradle of civilization. And we have one of my favorite master chefs in the entire world, and the most underrated researcher of a lifetime, Mr. Ghana himself in Ethiopia, Kidi Awadu. Chef Kidi, what can you share with us about the food that we're looking at? How healthy is it?
We have had the most wonderful week. We're now at our third major stop here. We've arrived in Gondar, one of the wealthiest and fourth largest city in Ethiopia. And as we're coming in, we start to notice that the prosperity in this region is really quite nice. Things are getting cleaner. The people, you can see, they're brighter, faster moving. The land is just so beautiful and rich. And as we step up to this beautiful restaurant in this tropical enclosure, Four Sisters restaurant, we walk in, not only is it gorgeous decor, but then the buffet laid out. This is the Ethiopian vegetarian food that I become accustomed to eating in places like Little Africa in Washington, D.C., Little Africa, or Little Ethiopia in Los Angeles and Washington, D.C. So we are grateful people. We are a blessed people. Today is also a major festival. This is the anniversary committed to Saint Miriam, the mother of Christ. What a day to be here. If you're hearing my voice right now, you're being encouraged to join with us. Join with Brother Bomani, Africa for the Africans.org. Listen on libradio.com as we talk about our future. This is it. We're here. The future has arrived.
Absolutely, Brother Kidi. And all of the food that you're looking at right now is the same food that you find at Little Africa?
Wait a minute. You're talking, but they're looking at me.
Oh, wow. Yes, family, Bomani Taimba here in the flesh. More than just the voice that you hear behind these wonderful recordings. And I'm excited to be in Africa as usual. This is my ninth country, Ethiopia. And Ethiopia is my second favorite country. And you know, as you see, Ghana in number one. And I'm probably going to end up learning a lot more about Ethiopia and having more of a fond love for Ethiopia. It's been so incredible. The people are beautiful, the energy is special, and then we get to eat healthy food. You see a lot of healthy people around. You don't see people that are filled with a lot of the poisonous food that we eat in America, where we are bloated all the time and we're just consistently just want to go up to the hospital and go up to the doctors. That's going to poison us more. But when you're in Ethiopia, you're eating healthy food to keep you strong, powerful, and then the culture itself just really keep you going. So family, this is where you really need to be. So we're looking forward to seeing more of our brothers and sisters. Right now in the background, which we're not going to show you, we have a lot of Asians and Europeans, and if they can come this far into the country, and if they can be loaded on planes, so can we. So I'm encouraging all my brothers and sisters from the African diaspora to do the same as everyone else and get more into Africa. If you know, it's a shame that we have other people more interested in Africa than we are. So we're here, me and my brother Kidi and the rest of the group, we're here to boost up the energy. So family, one love, we keep it strong.
Want to interview the rest of brother?
Sure, why not?